So Crusty's boot has been busted. Crusty's shifter boot has been busted for a long time. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It was all rotted. Crusty's shifter boot goes over this in here. I took it apart and then I ran over to a buddy friend of mine who is a guru of all things upholstery, and we took the old pieces apart, ripped all the seams, made a template, and then Augie is making the boot. I just cut it out. He's amazing. Augie's amazing. So he's Mr. Master when it comes to making some crazy upholstery magic. And we're gonna see if we can get rid of this gross thing that is the epitome of the name Crusty. Goes right along with the van. It's probably too close to really see, but it is nasty and old. And this is going to be really nice and new. That's just super glue?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Usually.
Huh. Is it because of a reaction with the fabric, or is it just the nature of that glue?
Yeah, no, it dries. It should. Well, see, now it's not sticking because you guys are watching.
Of course. That's the way it works.
That's how it works.
What does that do?
It makes the stitch shorter.
Oh, funky. Like the distance of the stitch
Yes.
in between each individual one?
Yeah. It's an antique Singer, half horsepower. It's very,
1950s.
probably, it could be the 50s, maybe the 40s. I'm not 40s, but at least 50s or early 60s. Okay. All right, there we go. With that, let's get this thread snipped. I don't like any threads left. Is that big enough?
Nice, probably. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think that'd be fine.
It should stretch a little bit.
Yep, I think that'll be fine.
Okay, now for our next trick.
So this frame has to be sewn into the bottom of the boot so that it will snap into the center console housing.
He's using an upholstery pen. Oops. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and attempt to get it started.
Yep.
We're going to fold this around here, and then we're going to get that locked in. What we're going to do is we're going to get this back here pulled.
It ended up working out okay, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
This is an industrial double face sticky tape.
Okay.
You can't find this at Walmart or any place. I have to specially order it.
That's cool.
It actually stretches, whereas the double face sticky tape you get at those at any of the office places or Walmart or anything like that, it will not do it.
Nice.
So what we're going to do now is try to see if we can sew it on here. Let's see what I can do.
The challenge.
So this will be towards the dash.
I think so.
Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to start right here. We're going to try to walk it right here. This is called walking the line. I have the one side of this, as you can see here.
The little feet underneath or whatever.
Yeah, this is the walking foot itself.
Okay.
But the center part right here is walking right on the metal. Let's see if we can keep it there. Walk around the corner. There we have
A boot.
Aaron's famous chocolate boot.
The center console. So it goes like, if that's the front, that's the rear. So it goes in here, underneath that, and underneath. Nice. Wow, that's cool. So now we go and install it. Alright, there's my new boot. Pretty awesome. The way it fits and everything is really, really cool. Works great. Augie did a great job. Find yourself an upholstery guy and have him do it.